B. Page 50.
After I graduated from college, the only thing I wanted was to make money. I was money hungry. For example, I only chose jobs that paid well. I guess that's kind of natural to want to earn lots of money. But I was also really concerned about my status at work. I mean, I felt the best way to measure my success, apart from my salary, was by my job title. So, to give you an example, I left one company to work for another because the job title sounded better. Amazing now that I think about it, but true. Well, then about a year ago, I found out I had cancer. I spent 6 months in and out of the hospital. I'm better now, but being successful these days, for me, is not about being a multimillionaire. It's about being healthy. For instance, jogging in the park is a success to me. I love it, and it doesn't cost anything. I also value my friendships more. I got back in touch with my old college classmates, and we get along really well. So, for me, for example, I see reconnecting with my old college friends as a great success. It's really made me a lot happier.